Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a slice quite text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a slice quite text box. In this document, go to the insert menu and check the all option, and we can see here not available this option. Now we want to insert this, go to the Microsoft Word document and create a blank page. Then go to the insert menu, click text box drop down menu, then go to some down and find this slice quite text box. Now we can see here this, then we select it and we insert this text box. Then press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select all, then press Ctrl C to copy, then go back the publisher document and paste on this page, press Ctrl V, then resize this. Now we can see we insert a slice quite text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.